Hey guys, welcome to Tutor Minds, and today we have our first lesson in Algebra 1. This is evaluating expressions. Now, this is a very easy topic to learn. So we'll just do 2 or 3 practice problems, and you guys are welcome to pause the video to work it out yourself in between, right? So let's get started. So our first equation is 1 second, I have to do, there we go, and y divided by 2 plus x, right, that's a very small equation, and then we have, it says x equals 1 and y equals 2. So what this is saying, if there's an x in the equation, you would have a 1, and if there's a if there's a y in the equation, you would have 2. So we would replace this x here with 1, obviously, and this y here with 2. So yeah, so now we have to plug it in. So 2 divided by 2 plus 1. Now we have a simple PEMDAS problem, order of operations, right? So division always comes before addition. So we would do 2 divided by 2, which equals 1 plus 1. And then we have addition, which would equal 2. And that's our final answer for this equation. So let's do another one. Let's do this one. So we have p squared plus m. And then it says m equals 1 and p equals 5. So now let's go and plug them in. So we have 5 to the power of 2 plus 1. Now, according to order of operations, we have to do exponents first. So we would do 5 to the power of 2, also known as 5 squared, which is the same thing as 5 times 5. So 5 times 5 equals 25. 25 plus 1. And then now we just have a simple addition equation here, which would just equal 26. And yeah, that's our final answer. Let's go ahead and do one more problem. And yeah. Now, let's go ahead and do this one. So we have 6, it is inside parentheses, by the way, 6 plus h squared minus j. And then we have all of that over 2. All of it's divided by 2. And then the side note says h equals 6 and j equals 4. So let's go ahead and plug our equations in now. Plug it in right here. So we have 6 plus 6 to the power of 2, also 6 squared. And then we have minus 4. Close it with parentheses, and then all of that is over 2. Right. And then now PEMDAS again, right? Because there's no variables left over, just PEMDAS. It says parentheses first, but inside the parentheses also exponents. We would do exponents first, right? So 6 to the power of 6, which is 36. So we would have 6 plus 36 minus 4. And then all of that is over 2. Now, addition, subtracting, we can just go straight forward and do it. So 6 plus 36 is 42. And then when you subtract 42 by 4, you get 38. So now what we have left over is 38 divided by 2. You might be able to use a calculator here. I'm not sure what your teacher lets you do, but 38 divided by 2 equals 19. And that is our final answer. I thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if it was helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if it was helpful. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next Algebra 1.